ತರ ನನ್ಗೇನು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ Politics and the Future of Trans Persons. It is supposed to be the transgender persons. Trans is the half of your identity. So I urge maybe in future conference to use transgender as a full terminology. I don't understand what is this Rajaniti or Rajanitik. Raja is a man. Rajanitik is also from a patriarchal perspective. So one ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. It is called Rani Gambhirya Niti. Means women's perspective. Rani Niti. Why can't we make it Rani Niti? So with this sort of notion, like enter into the so-called the grand old party, the Indian National Congress, whatever that you can quote me. But Akai's joining party was not an easy decision. It took almost 11 years. Maybe my colleague, Uma is also here. If you talk about the movement perspective, I'm going to come into the movement very maybe later. But Akai joined politics of so long, 11 years of discussion, especially after the Delhi High Court 2009 verdict. We were looking for people to support the movement issue, especially on human sexuality and gender identities are concerned. No parties came forward. First was the JDS to support the issues of the Delhi High Court judgment to welcome. I remember, Mr. Ramesh Babu was part of that thing, and the public meeting came and said how we will be part of this movement. Then Congress took much time to whether to issue a statement or not, because this is so-called against the order of nature. So I think somehow finally Congress also came to the forefront and said we support this movement, like historical verdict. I think when I heard with Pinky, it's so unfortunate to hear that she said in Hindi, and I quote, "हमारी पार्टी में आदमी कम नहीं है." Means like in a party there are enough men to rule this. That is such a stupid notion of thinking. Whichever party it is, I don't support that sort of notion. And who decides Admi, who decides Aurat, who decides Kinnar or Ijra? I should decide, and you should respect it or you should accept it. So this sort of basic thing that needs to be created within the party system. In that, so what would be Akai's position in the All India Congress, be it committee or like be it All India Mahila Congress or Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee? So it took much time, to make me to be part of this All India Mahila Congress, recognizing irrelevant of your sex and gender. Yes, Akai is a vocal woman, and within the structure of the party, they asked, "How do you identify?" I'm a woman. Doesn't matter your vagina, your breast, or uterus. I'm a woman. Okay, so Akka is woman. She's part of All India Mahila Congress. The state's role, the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, the utmost committee which decides the state's politics, be it your assembly elections, to your corporate elections, to municipal elections, to other so many elections, and who will be your MLAs. So, being part of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, we ensure that the 33% reservation is also being practiced within the party system. It is not we go to parliament, we go to assembly, we speak about 33% reservation. It is a mandate. If you say, if you're talking about the women's rights or the most marginal sections rights, let's practice within. I am so happy that the Congress party has accepted to practice 33% reservation within the party system. And I'm talking about the movement perspective. What is movement? The movement I come from, I represent. I don't want to use the terminology called LGBTIQ and H, whatever you want to use. I come from a working class, non-English speaking background. I use very clearly because I think my colleague, what Pinky has shared, like everything is politics. And our terminologies are also politics. Kannadadalli, when Grace Banu was moderating the session, like in 324 something, you said transgender and third gender, you said, right? We're still questioning which is first gender, second gender, third gender, fourth gender. Gender is not, like not about the boxing. We say it's a political status. People also within the movement of sexual minorities, we also have a class discrimination. The upper class elite, English speaking says LGBTIQ. That's for your sake. How though? MSM and transgender, men having sex with men, transgender, service oriented perspective, the gender and sexual minorities. Minorities, it's a political indication. So we ensure it's a gender and sexual minorities. So we urge, this has to be brought up in that context. I know there are people within the movement with so much of different terminologies to be practiced and used. And though I think the 11 years of this journey to join this Congress party was not so easy. Why is it's not, it's not so easy? Because the process of discussion, when you are being acknowledged as the acclaimed activist or acclaimed leader, it's also your social responsibility. You know, making your statement something taken at the national level or state level, whatever. I think we were discussing with BT Venkatesh, Mr. Manohar, and Arvind Naran is also here. Today, we are sitting in this room because of our 25 years of struggle. The movement dedication, because you're always in streets, vulnerability, sex work, begging, violence, many aspects that was attacking against you because you are a vulnerable section. And we fought against all sort of violence and structures and patriarchal notion. I think that agitation has brought toward this extent to speak the Supreme Court two huge verdicts. One is 2014 verdict, one is 2018 verdict, and 2009 verdict as well. But the disappointment judgment is 11, 12, 13 verdict. I think this was not so easy. I think I appreciate the political parties are coming forward, and especially the transgender women communities are now also coming forward to be part of the like either one of the party to speak about our issues in any party that that you could be. I respect what Anindya Hajana's morning said, talking about the right wing politics practiced by Lakshmi Narayan Tripathi. Fine. Let us speak the right wing politics, and people like us are here to protect the Constitution of India. I'm also scared and I'm also fear. Does the transgender identity dominates the other sexual minority community? For transgender, there's so-called recognition, yeah? I was talking to the Vice Chancellor of National Law School of India University, Jaina's Ganda, that Sudhir. Ayyappa Harihara Putra, Ayo Papa. Brahannale, Ayo Papa. And Harvanan, Arjuna, like refers many other quotes, Ayo Papa. Ayo Papa, people are giving you all these things. But how do you claim politically? Akai speaking in Congress for sexual minorities makes a difference. And my President Sonia Gandhi speaks makes a huge difference. You got it? Within the party system, there should be leaders who should speak about the violence, speak about the communal harmony, speak about the politics of sexuality and gender. I think the issue, me to be part of this party, not to contest elections, not to contest, whatever Lok Sabha elections or Raj Sabha or, member of Legislative Council, adu bed, adu bartade. Let's start working within the party system. But concerning is that how do you build same or similar thinking people within the party system is my concern. I don't want to see only Professor Rajiv Gowda coming and talking on the issue. Like there are very few people who are there to speak about this issue. The last part of it is politics. What is politics? I already mentioned that there is a need to decentralize the power. In the name of the president, secretary, whatever that we are talking about, I think women should enjoy the more power in the from a very context of the decentralization of itself. In that context, I support people who are here to join politics and speak for our issue. In the sense, Akai speaks transgender rights, Akai speaks sexuality rights, Akai should also speak communalism, Akai should also speak about globalization, Akai should also speak about privatization, and across. The world belongs to me and I belong to the world. Thank you.